severe epidemic enterovirus.
Yes.
Enterovirus. I got it right? Yes. Respiratory syndrome 2025. It even has a year to it. Now listen to this video.
Officials in 2 Latin American countries alerted the WHO of several outbreaks of a new infectious disease that's mysteriously appearing across the region. Severe epidemic enterovirus respiratory syndrome 2025. Over the past 6 weeks alone, there have been 500 confirmed or suspected cases reported. The virus could cause a severe pandemic if early containment and mitigation efforts are not successful.
The pandemic in this type of situation and trend would be a risk for the global health security.
Pandemics are inherently political, financial, and so much broader.
We have not spoken on the leadership in country. And I think that we need to be also very careful. We cannot decide a lot of things without the leaders be involved and agree on that.
There is no substitute for national leadership.
It's important to support the local response or the national response.
Training those that are in these areas first, enabling them with the tools, protecting them, and if needs be, regional solidarity first.
At this stage, communication is key, and communication should include not just scientists with data, but also social, religious, and political leaders.
Trust. This is an essential issue, and trust was broken among countries, between populations and healthcare systems, between healthcare systems and governments.
I'm very sorry to say that in 2025, we need to strengthen the health system.
WHO needs to be a voice for the voiceless.
No one is safe until all of us are safe.
As of today, there have been an estimated 1 billion cases worldwide, with more than 20 million deaths, including nearly 15 million children. Countless millions are alive, but left with paralysis or brain damage. The most successful countries are those which invested in preparedness and trained for this moment years in advance. This included having full-time pandemic preparedness and response teams, which conducted detailed operational planning and routinely tested those plans through exercises and drills. If more countries had participated and heeded the guidance, the toll might have been much less.
So they did that this past October. That's a video of their simulation, what they intend to show to the world. They are planning their next pandemic. I feel sorry for all those people on that seat. I feel sorry for all of them. But I told you, January 2021, let's see if they have that. Watch this. With these restrictions of COVID, listen, there's COVID-19, COVID-21, and COVID-25. And by the time they get to COVID-25, what they expect is that they would have had their way around the world. Tell them to deny COVID-25. They know they've already leaked out 21, but they haven't leaked out 25. But they have 25, I told you. Ask them. Sometimes some people ask me, who are these them? Very simple. Start with the World Economic Forum. All those who have been perambulating around Switzerland and discussing World Economic Forum, discussing world finances, world economies. They are not there for world economy. They're there for world control. I have news for them. All of them that are holding those meetings, they are not in the picture. They are not in the picture of God for world domination. They are not. None of them will make it. And I'm serious, mark my words. None of them will make it. So, with the vaccines, this is their greatest effort yet to control the world. With this fraud, the fraud of the COVID testing. I told you, with the test, what is the test looking for? They haven't told us yet. What is this test? When you are tested, what is it looking for? I'm a bit surprised that some people who were supposed to have been educated in many countries, and they are professor this and professor that, and doctor of this and doctor of that, of science, and they're all quiet. What kept you quiet? Because you were raised to always wait for someone to tell you what they have discovered. Now, look where you are. They lied to you. You don't even know they lied to you. You don't even know they lied to you. Let's stop for now. So, they're trying to give it another name, right? It's all COVID. 25. Lies. But greater is he that is in us than he that is in the world. And whatsoever is born of God overcomes the world. And this is the victory that overcomes the world, even our faith. Jesus said, cheer up, I've overcome the world. He overcame the world for us. We have